Testing, testing, testing. Testing, testing, testing. Okay, we're live, and this is a demo of the BaseX World Prompt Engine plugin on Unreal Engine, Fab Marketplace, Unreal Marketplace. And as you can see here, I've got Unreal Engine 5.7 loaded up with the BaseX World Prompt Engine. And what we're going to do is we're going to show you a little bit how this works. We have 5 different sizes of terrains, from tiny, 16 by 16, small, medium, 64 by 64, large, and huge, 256 by 256. We're going to start by showing you smallest terrain size, tiny, with our presets. You don't have to use presets because you can custom pick biomes, terrains, and structures out of your own assets with the BaseX World Prompt Engine. But I'll show you the presets first. And these can get little squares of some terrain that you can copy and paste into your world, so you can have a living world with different biomes like nothing ever before in Unreal Engine. This is procedural generation to up your video game development time by hours and days, not having to create these meshes by hand. So let's say you want your volcano, and then you want maybe a volcanic ridge. You can copy and paste that right there, or you can lock it in right here in this project, and then maybe create some more terrain with a lava canyon, which is going to be generated each time differently. Here's a lava canyon. This is on your tiny size of manageable space. Of course, I can make this much larger. Here's the lava canyon tiny. Then when we go back to our asset mapper, let's make it huge. Do the lava canyon again. Lava canyon large size. Oh, well, you just made a huge map with the lava canyon, and the entire terrain is mapped out within 4 seconds. That's going to save you a day of development time. And you don't have to use the presets. You can go into the asset mapper, scan your project file, bring in all your assets, map them out to some keywords, auto match, and you've got all your assets into the BaseX World Prompt Engine. So then you go into your describing your world, and we'll pick a terrain, pick flat, And then let's do lava again. Flat lava. Like this, real simple. Flat lava with clouds. Okay? Generate the world. Well, we've just got nothing but lava. There we go. Exactly what we asked for, right? We asked for it. Oh, the lava is the floor, as they say. But it works, right? We just generated a custom map of a huge size of all lava. So, as you can see, the possibilities are endless. Clear it out. Maybe you want more than just lava. You're going to want maybe some dunes, some canyons, some cliffs, maybe a cave. Let's generate that again. We won't get as much lava this time, hopefully. Oh, and it is a varied terrain with what we asked for. Some dunes, a lava canyon. It is flat, so let's take out flat. Let's take out flat and see what happens. We got what we asked for, so this is gonna be literal. It's got a lot of options, but it is literal. Let's not make it flat. Okay. We've got much more land this time. Sort of a lava river here. Let's see. Plenty of clouds. Let's take out the clouds and make it sunny instead. These are, let's see, where's my weather? Sun. Oops. Oh, I just did that, didn't I? Hold on. It doesn't take long to fix this. Lava, cliff, canyon, dune, sun. You can type them out or you can click on the options. Oh wow. Ooh, nice and sunny. Let's go up higher and check this out. Alright. Now let's try a smaller version of that. That was huge. Landscape. We're doing medium size now. Oh, there we go. Looking great. Okay. Got canyons, got some height. Alright. What other biomes? Maybe a valley. And if we do a fjord, it will have hopefully a nice gorge in between. Alright. It didn't do as much lava because that was lower on the list of the different terrains we asked for. It's doing the day-night cycle. I'm gonna come back. Let's take away dune, canyon, and cliff. Let's see if we get pouring on lava this time. Now we haven't even gotten into many of the presets yet. There's so many more options. This is one preset out of 24. And then lo and behold, you've got a fjord with a gorge of lava. separated by a valley. Let's add in some structures. It was hiding the structures. Let's add in a torch. Let's add in a brazier. As you can see, you can add in quite a few structures out of your asset library. Oh, I didn't want that many. Okay, I got it. Try that again. The clear button definitely comes in handy. Alright. Let's try another preset. I like the fjord. Nice icy world. No more lava. There we go, we've got an icy fjord. Oh, instead of that, let's do a tundra. A little different. There we go. Let's try just a frozen plain. And to get started, I searched for BaseX prompt demo and dragged it in as an actor before I hit start. So that's how you get this loaded up in your project. And of course you can copy and paste these elements, or you can lock them in. You can move them around. But it's probably easier to copy and paste them and play around with this in a separate project, just to play around with your BaseX elements so you can get used to using it. Let's try a ice cave. Move down in size. It's got some structures to it, some icicles, stalactites, or whatever you want to call them, for your ice cave. And we're working on this is version 1.1, which is just about to go live on Fab and Unreal Marketplace. We're going to be working on version 1.2, which has added language for relational placement of structures. So you're going to have plenty or dense or many or few language in regards to structures. So dense forest, many trees, and the engine is going to be able to read those and decide how many of a structure to put into your scenery based on what you typed in. So we're adding some relational tags in the next version after this one. So let's try a forest. or a swamp actually. We've gone ice, we've gone lava, and now we're doing a land swamp. And this is very foggy, as you can see. And it'll be easier once we get version 1.2 to do trees, but then you've got your terrain here for a swamp here. You know, this does not replace assets. This is not meant to be an asset library. This is meant to be a procedural generation tool to make you terrains and to use the objects that you already have in the asset mapper to procedurally generate from your assets. So it's not going to do everything for you. It's here to speed up terrain building. Alright. So let's try a savanna, which I believe it says savanna, grass, and a gorge or fjord as the center. So it's going to create like a valley in the middle. Oh, and this happens. Sometimes the terrain height will put you where you need to adjust your camera back out. And it created a center circular valley, just like the prompt said. And we can take that out of there. Let's see. Let's delete that part. It's going to do what you ask, so shouldn't be there now. I haven't tried this. Oh, that's part of the preset. It doesn't really matter because it's still the preset. So it's alright. Let's try clearing that out and just doing terrain. Steep. Plateau. Biome. There we go. It's just a height grassland. Let's try some birch trees. Try it with some trees. I feel like we don't have the birch trees loaded into this project. Probably don't have any trees in this project. But that's fine. Or let's just try tree. initializing. Identity forest. Alright, let's go with some different ones. Dense enchanted forest with glowing mushrooms. A fairy circle clearing. We're doing our medium size map. Alright. I think the other one is the crystal forest. Try that one. There we go. Let's try a few more. Grassy mesa. Looking good. Let's do something with snow in it. Let's try tundra. Just tundra. Let's do ravine. Tundra ravine with snow. Go. Oh, I like that. Oh, that's chunks of ice everywhere. That's awesome. There we go. Let's try a highlands. A little varied map here. Plenty of height changes in the highlands. Looks appropriate. And back to the lava canyon. I love the lava canyon and the volcano. Back at a medium size here. We haven't done the medium size with the lava canyon. It's got some structures and the lava canyon. And then let's end it with a huge size volcano. Let's get some height here. There's a volcano. Wow. That's an erupting volcano. And you know, we can give you support. You can email trollhuntergamingco@gmail.com for questions about the basics world prompt engine. There's plenty of settings to play around with. We're going to be doing updates every couple weeks, improving it. Just came out. 1.1 is just going live this week. It's got 24 presets. You can hook up to your own asset library You can scan your project and bring in all your assets and use procedural language to build levels, save, adjust them, copy and paste them elsewhere, lock them in, whatever you need to do. And that is the Base X World Prompt Engine. Email or post your questions in the comments, and we'll get back to you.